end of a very long day, and I know I've said this many times before, but this really is the bit that we've been waiting for. Any minute now, the landing window will open. That means between now and about half an hour's time, Philae will be landing on the comet. But what kind of landing it is completely depends on how lucky Philae is. Might land on a boulder, on a cliff, on a ridge. This spot was selected as being the best possible place to land on the comet, but still it is littered with hazards. Now we just have to cross our fingers and wait. While we've been waiting, we've seen some amazing images. The first one was of Rosetta that was taken by Philae as it said farewell when it went on its descent down to the comet. The second one, which I think is even more amazing, was taken from the Osiris instrument on Rosetta, and it was of the lander as it went on its descent. You can see it just in the distance, but really, really clearly with its legs out. It looks almost like a little skull and crossbones to me. So we've now got these amazing images, but all they do is make us even more want to see the final pictures that we might get if Philae ends up landing safely on the surface.
Sitting on the surface, Philae's talking to us.
My question is very simple. How are you feeling right now, today?
I feel so happy and so relieved also, because we know the difficulties of this type of mission, and success looks always easy, but it was not easy, but we made it, and we are the first to have made that, and that will stay forever. So we have landed on a comet, and I am sure that the scientists will learn a lot about the solar system, a lot of planet Earth, and maybe a lot about us, and that is, but that will come. Let's say the work of the engineers is almost now complete. Now this is the scientists who are starting to work, and I am sure that there will be a lot of discoveries. It was worth the effort and worth the fears and the stress.
It is a special celebration of my heart and of my brain. Okay, it is a great event. It is a non-precedent event. It is a unique first similar event in the history of human civilization.
So we've had touchdown, the landing's been confirmed. It's probably a bit cheesy to say so, but I think it's probably been the most exciting day of reporting in my life. Everything seems to be going pretty well. There have been a few hiccups. The harpoons didn't actually go into the surface, so we don't know what that will mean. It perhaps means that Philae is a little bit vulnerable down there on the comet, but I think for now we can safely say Philae has landed. Cheers.